Welcome to this special visual explainer from the American English Academy. I'm so glad you're joining us today. You know, if you're learning English, you've probably figured out that sometimes the absolute smallest words are actually the trickiest ones, right? Well, today, we're going to master exactly how to describe where things are using English prepositions of place. I'll be speaking nice and clearly to guide you through every single step. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's build that English confidence together.
Here is our quick roadmap for today. First, where are things? Second, 4 key prepositions. Third, city directions. Fourth, practice with everyday objects. And finally, your turn to practice.
Part 1. Where are things? This is the big central question we're going to answer by the end of our time together. Now, before we can talk about where things are located, we actually need to know what to call them. So I'm going to pronounce these 5 everyday objects slowly. I want you to repeat them out loud after me, right from wherever you're sitting. Ready? Bag, camera, keys, pens, wallet. Awesome. Keep these items in the back of your mind, because we're going to be using them a lot today.
Part 2. 4 key prepositions. Let's start building our foundation.
Our very first location word or preposition is in. The definition here is super simple. It just means something is located inside a container or a space. Listen to that short, crisp sound. In.
Check out the red ball here. See how it's completely enclosed by the lines of the box? The ball is in the box. Whenever an object is surrounded by walls, or inside a room, or tucked away inside a bag, we use the word in.
Okay, here we are comparing our next 2 words, next to and near. And honestly, this clears up a very common confusion for beginners. On the left side, the red ball is next to the box. You see how it's almost touching it? It's right beside it with no space in between. But on the right side, the red ball is near the box. It's close by, in the same general area, but there's a clear, empty space between them. So, next to means right beside, and near just means close by.
For our 4th word, the absolutely crucial point is the idea of facing each other across a shared space. The word is opposite. Notice how the 2 red balls are literally face to face. Just think about sitting across from a friend at a coffee table. You are opposite your friend. Part 3. City directions. Let's step outside and see how these are used in real-world conversations.
We have a quick conversation here between 2 friends, Chen and Louis, and they're trying to meet up in London. Listen to Chen. I'm in a store. It's opposite High Street Kensington Station. Notice that really natural usage. She uses in because she's physically inside the store building, and she uses opposite because the store is facing the station, directly across the street.
If we follow this real-life underground map, we can visually trace their whole conversation. Spot High Street Kensington right there in the middle, and then off to the left on the same green line, there's Holland Park. Louis asks where the station is, and Chen replies, it's near Holland Park. They aren't in the exact same spot, but they're in the same general area, so they are near. Perfect. Part 4. Practice with everyday objects. Let's head into our virtual classroom and actually put our new skills to the test. Take a really close look at this desk setup. Do you remember that vocabulary we practiced earlier? You can see the chairs, the wooden desk, and our objects. A bag, a camera, a wallet, some keys, and some pens. Study where every single item is positioned, because I'm about to throw some mystery questions your way, and I want you to answer out loud. All right, here is your first question. What's the relationship between the blue wallet and the silver camera down in that bottom right corner? The sentence is, the wallet is blank the camera. What preposition fills that blank? Is it in, next to, near, or opposite? Think about the distance between them. I'll give you a second.
Well, if you guessed near, you are absolutely right. The wallet is near the camera. They're occupying the same general space on the desk, but there's definitely a clear separation between them. They aren't touching side by side. Excellent job applying that small but really important difference. Let's try just one more to really lock this knowledge in. Take a guess at the relationship between the keys and the bag. Over on the bottom left, the keys are resting on the white paper. The sentence is, the keys are blank the bag. Go ahead and say your answer out loud.
Fantastic. The keys are next to the bag. You can see they are right beside each other, basically touching edge to edge. And that means next to is the correct, most precise choice here.
Part 5. Your turn to practice. You guys have done fantastic work today, and now it's time for some homework.
I'm giving you a super simple physical homework assignment to guarantee that you retain everything you just learned. Step 1. Grab your phone, your keys, your pens, and your bag, and put them in different spots all around your room. Step 2. Look at them and describe out loud exactly where they are using in, next to, near, or opposite. For example, maybe your bag is next to your bed, or your phone is in your pocket.
So, my final question for you today is, where are your things? I challenge you to write your homework sentences in the comments right now. If you enjoyed this visual step-by-step explainer, please subscribe to our channel, the American English Academy. Join our growing community of learners, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.